In this video, I'll be showing you the Diguisit rock formations in Baler, Aurora in the Philippines. Baler is about a 6-hour drive from Manila through winding roads in the mountains of Aurora Memorial National Park. Diguisit Rock Formations is one of the top tourist spots to see in Baler. These rock structures, which line the shoreline, are volcanic in origin. They kind of remind me of the Chocolate Hills in Bohol because they're grouped in the same area and put there by Mother Nature for us to behold. It'd be kind of cool if they allowed people to camp on top of this rock. Selfie time! We also drove down to Sabang Beach in Baler, which has been dubbed the birthplace of surfing in the Philippines. Dude, where's the surf? Guess the ocean's taking a breath. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the content, please press the like button. My aim is to post new videos every week. And remember, life is a journey, not a destination.